Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. My name is Nunu Nurhayati. In this opportunity, I would like to presentation my research about mathematical adaptive reasoning ability through collaborative problem-solving model. Introduction to the research is reasoning ability is one of the goals in learning mathematics at school, and need to be developed in mathematical learning include adaptive reasoning. Based on preliminary study and previous study, adaptive reasoning ability of students are still low. And adaptive reasoning is the competence to think logically and procedure use that students need in problem solving that require high-level thinking. Collaborative problem solving is interesting to discuss, and collaborating can facilitate students to construct creative ideas. So, collaborative problem solving has an importance to build the capacity of mathematical adaptive reasoning ability, which is one of the most important and fundamental skills in mathematics. One of the best ways to improve the mathematical adaptive reasoning is collaborating can also help students to be actively involved in interacting and collaborating as a structure in building ideas, individually or in groups in problem solving. Through collaborative problem solving, they are given the opportunity to construct their own knowledge. Adaptive reasoning ability is a logical thinking capacity in giving reason, drawing conclusions based on fact, and being able to prove mathematically based on the knowledge obtained. The indicator of mathematical adaptive reasoning ability in this research are ability to make conjectures, provide reason or evidence regarding the answer given, and draw conclusion from a statement. Collaborative problem solving is a combination of two learning approaches, namely cooperative learning and problem-based learning. The learning stages applied in this research are presentation of the problem, formation of heterogeneous group, problem solving in group, intergroup problem solving, and presentation of problem solution. This research uses the quantitative with experimental approach using a pretest post-test control group design. An instrument in this research is a test of mathematical adaptive reasoning ability. Subject in this research is student of class 7 junior high school in SMP Negeri 1 Kramat Mulia, one class experiment and one class control with a sample of 52 students. The analysis data use normality test, homogeneity test, and gain and t-test. Average and gain classification of mathematical adaptive reasoning in class experiment and control. Classification of and gain score for two classes is same in the medium category. Result pretest and post-test. Pretest in experiment class and control class. The class show that pretest data mathematical adaptive reasoning ability is normally distributed. Use parametric test is t-test, and the result of signification test or post-test using the t-test is show probability score significant is 0.002 less than 0.025. It can concluded that the mathematical adaptive reasoning of the student taught by collaborative problem-solving learning was better than those taught by conventional learning. Analysis post-test, the result of the post-test work of the experimental class student or indicator of adaptive reasoning can be answered correctly, while the result of the control class student post-test work, not all indicators of adaptive reasoning can be answered correctly. Experimental class students are able to provide reason or evidence properly and competently based on mathematical knowledge of the rectangular subject matter, while control class students have not been able to provide complete and correct reason or evidence based on mathematical knowledge of the rectangular subject matter. Students use adaptive reasoning ability to find the right steps in analyzing, organizing facts, procedure, concept, and problem solving. Collaborative problem solving steps that are closely related to adaptive reasoning ability, where students think logically in drawing conclusions that must be based on fact, concept, and procedure from the result of the discussion. Discussion can improve the way of thinking so that they can build their own understanding due to the involvement of students in the thinking process and communication skill in problem solving. The first stage of the collaborative problem solving model is the existence of problems. At this stage, students are given problems in the form of worksheets regarding adaptive reasoning abilities. Students must present ideas with the knowledge they have. This is due to the effect of collaborative problem-solving model. During discussion, the students are given problem-solving tasks and explained to the group's friends. Collaborative problem-solving learning model provides opportunities for students to solve problems by collaborating to gain knowledge about a concept. Conclusion and suggestion. Based on the result and discussion, we can conclude that the mathematical adaptive reasoning ability of students taught by collaborative problem solving learning was better than those taught by conventional learning. Collaborative problem solving model can be an alternative for teachers to be applied to mathematics material, especially in improving student mathematical adaptive reasoning ability. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.